Namaste everyone and welcome back to my channel Awaken with Pradnya. This particular question has been asked on the many twin flame websites or forums that if at all this is a spiritual journey and if we are supposed to be on our spiritual journey and awakening, why exactly we need a twin flame? We could have done it all alone. Why the divine has attached this desire to be with somebody, or why the divine has attached another person and this longing and intense love you feel for that person when it comes to this particular path which we call a spiritual journey. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos. And those who want to seek one-on-one advice from me, I have also recently started offering one-to-one sessions, and all those who have really taken those sessions are happy about those sessions, and I'm glad that there is a lot of value add for them. So anybody who really wants to know more about one-on-one sessions, I have given the links below in the description. Many people even don't believe, or many people cannot somewhere accept that spiritual journey is involving some sort of a love aspect. Many people find it hard to accept that this is a kind of a spiritual journey. They feel that it's not at all a spiritual journey because there is desire, there is love, there is romance, which cannot be really a part of your spiritual path. Spiritual path is all about getting rid of all the desires and going inwards and getting rid of attachment. Why, if at all we were all souls, we were supposed to be on this particular spiritual path, why exactly we have met our twin flame and why did we need our twin flame in the first place to be on this path? And I feel it's a very important question, and I have also asked this question to myself when I was on my journey and progressing, or I was in this stage of being in confusion that why exactly I'm here, why exactly I have met this person. I would say that, twin flame connection is a buddy system. Many a times it happens. I can even give you an example from a real life that, for example, you want to lose your weight. Okay, but on your own, if you're getting up every day and want that sort of a motivation to stick to your diet and stick to your exercise routine, it may not be really possible. Some days you are really feeling low, some days you are okay, and maybe after 1 or 2 weeks you are not really serious about it and you don't even realize when did you give up on your efforts on losing weight. But if you have a kind of a buddy system, you have somebody who is responsible for whatever responsibility you have taken, and that person is always there and keeping a track of what you're doing and what you're not doing, motivating you all the time. Wouldn't it be easier for you to achieve what you are supposed to do? It will be way, way better for you if you have that sort of a person taking your responsibility for losing your weight. And I think that same thing happens when you are in the twin flame scenario. I can also give another scenario. Especially, I have seen it in India that in the areas where there are a lot of mountains and there are a lot of hilly areas, if there is a train, there are some routes, there are some railway routes where the train requires two engines. So one engine is put at the start of the train and another engine is backing the whole train up from the behind. So two engines are in play and the train is actually moved through those hilly areas with two engines. So I feel the spiritual journey is like that. Only with your existence or with your efforts, it may not really reach where it wants to reach. So there is this another engine which divine has provided you from the behind, which is your twin flame, who makes it possible for you to go through this journey. They are your, battery. They are your backup power backup, or whatever you want to call it. Most of the times, being in the physical body, it is very, very difficult for a soul to give up on their physical desires, to give up on what really looks nice from the outside, the physical life. give up your physical desires and go on your spiritual path for serving some bigger purpose. You might not even awaken to it. But when you are having this sort of a buddy system, a spiritual buddy, I would say, who encounters with you, the things get upside down in your emotional and mental world, even in the physical world. Your awakening is triggered. You start asking questions to yourself: what the hell is happening with, why this is happening with me? And things rapidly start changing. You start coming out of your sleep, from your physicality. You start being more aware of your spiritual self, and somewhere your ascension process starts. And twin flame is somebody, as I always say in my videos and in my answers, that there is a particular cycle of a connection and separation, and twin flame will come back and connect with you whenever you are achieving your milestone in your spiritual journey. Your twin flame is exactly working very similar to a buddy system. They only appear whenever that push, that motivation is required. If they were not there in your life, your spiritual progress won't happen. But they are always showing you the path, and your craving for them, your longing to meet them, the kind of love you feel for them becomes a fuel for this journey. If that is not there, you won't have any strength, any desire to move forward in the spiritual journey, because spiritually awakening, spiritually ascending is not easy. The kind of the way you are unwrapping yourself, the way you are shedding off your negativities, the way you are shedding off your conditioning, you are thinking deeply about it, and you are really overcoming your negativities, you are overcoming your negative denser consciousness, and coming above that only because you are loving somebody, only because you are looking forward to something which feels like out of the world kind of a scenario, or out of the world kind of an experience. And I think that is why this twin flame connection is the way it is. Without that pull and push kind of a scenario, your spiritual progress will not happen. Many people associate spirituality with God. So anything, whatever you are talking about, love, romance, anything which is not associated with light, healing, God, is not spiritual. That is what is the common perception is. If you really look deeply into it, you would realize that spirituality is not only connected to godly things or healing or light and energies and prayers and those sort of things. Yes, they are part of spirituality, but what you truly feel in your heart, the kind of love you feel for somebody, the kind of hatred you go through in your life, all the aspects in your life, whether they are negative or they are positive, whether they are shadow self or they are higher self, they are all part of your spirituality. So it won't be really right to say that it's having feeling for somebody intensely is not spiritual. It is your perception which is saying that. But your spirituality is all about accepting what you are truly feeling in your heart. That is your true spiritual nature. Then there would be many people who would say that, but why twin flame? There are a lot of people who are awakening on their own. They have been on their spiritual path. They haven't met their twin flame. In the context of twin flame, if you are a twin flame, why you are a twin flame, and why you are not that sort of a soul who has chosen only to be spiritually awakened without a twin flame? I feel there is also a reason, and that reason lies in the twin flame mission. Because one of the core twin flame missions is to break out of the normal relationship templates, which I have spoken in detail in one of my videos which I made on twin flame mission. The twin flames are here to break away from the traditional relationship patterns, the way people think about how the romantic relationship would be, the way people think how love should be. Somewhere I feel that twin flames are here to break away from that old template, to break away from that old pattern. And it shows you some new possibilities. Whatever you are, as a twin flame, whatever twin flames are experiencing now, that they're encountering somebody, they are feeling that intense connection, they are being confused about who this person really is in their life, what is the significance of this person, is it a romantic relationship or is it a spiritual relationship? They can't really figure out, they can't really name that relationship anything. There is a lot of huge guilt feeling attached to it, because somewhere the twin flame is also compared with their spouses, and because of that all these related negative feelings or low vibrational feelings like fear, guilt, shame, society pressure, society rules, do's and don'ts, all these are coming up, and somewhere they are questioning the twin flames, or they are coming up, and twin flames are forced to face those emotions, they are forced to go through those emotions so that they process those emotions and actually come to a place where they know the truth in their heart. And it is somehow taking them to the understanding of new pure divine love templates. And I think the whole humanity will slowly shift there, but twin flames are the first ones who are processing these feelings on planet earth right now. And by processing those feelings and coming to terms with who they are and what they feel inside their heart, is making a lot of shift on planet earth. I hope you are understanding what I'm trying to say. And that is why I feel that even though it is a spiritual journey, you need a twin flame to fulfill its purpose, because without the physical presence or without an energetic presence of your twin flame, you wouldn't be able to realize what you have realized right now. You wouldn't be able to progress the way you have progressed right now spiritually. That is why the role of your twin flame is very, very significant and very, very important in this journey. So this is all for today. See you in the next video. Till that time, you please take care of yourself and keep working on yourself, and always be positive. Thank you.